Yes guys, hello and welcome back to another video. We have 5 mods to make your Assetto Corsa look 10 times better. Bear in mind, some of these mods are not free, unfortunately. They're just not free, but they're not too expensive. But without further ado, let's go and check it out and make your game look 10 times better. Let's go. So the first mod we have is KirbyCam, okay? This makes the movement on the camera a bit more free-flowing on third person. It kind of makes it look a little bit more realistic. Some cameras are like really jolty and like the car stays in the same way as the camera. There's a little video here of like what it looks like. You can see the car kind of moves freely without the camera. The camera's just sort of facing in one general direction. It kind of makes it feel more immersive. Yeah, so that's number one. And number two is Sol 2.29. okay, it is on race departments. This modification is also free. Here is how to find it. Every single link will be in the description down below. This mod also has like a description on how to install it. This is for like the cloud and all the other malarkey. We also need another mod that goes with this, which is number 3 in the list. So we'll head on over there now. So I'm not a current Patreon on this current account, so I can't show you exactly what it is. But what I'll do is I'll fire up Assetto Corsa and show you what Pure actually does. So quickly before we move on, I should have stated the Sol 2.9, you've got to have that to then install Pure. It's a bit backwards. You've got to have one to have the other, so it's kind of included in the top 5 you need. Now, when you get Pure installed, it'll look like this, okay? And this is where you can like mess with like all the settings. You know, you can mess with sunlight, ambient light level, and to make your game look fantastic. Now there's just loads of presets out there that can help you optimize Pure and Sol to like make it look the most realistic, and that's why it's in this package, okay? You definitely need this. Like, I highly recommend. It's £1, it's £1, okay? So let's check out the next one. So the next one is a PP filter, okay? I prefer this guy's work out of majority of them all. It looks absolutely fantastic. He does a great job of what he does. I think this mod is around a £5, I think, on Patreon. I'll have a little quick look in a second. I highly recommend using this guy's PP filter, which comes in at number 4. But look at this, it's beautiful. Fantastic job from the creator. We will check out his page right now. So guys, this is not a free mod. Again, it is £4.50 a month to £8.50 depending on what you guys prefer. But honestly, this is like one of the best PP filters you can buy. It's up to you which version you use. You go through them, check them out, install them, and see what happens. There's always, again, his links of all the stuff that he has. It has how to install. But again, if you have any problems, jump into my Discord and I will help you out. So once you've installed KirbyCam, Sol, Pure, and PP filters, you also then need Rain, okay? Rain is number 1, like, best mod on Assetto, because in my opinion, Britain is always raining, so like it isn't any more realistic unless you have rain. Okay, so now we need rain in Assetto Corsa. Let me go and find a Patreon, because it is also a Patreon. It's not very much, but we'll have a little quick look of what you need. So let me just go and find it. So here is the mod that you need next. It also has better lighting, apparently. I'm not quite sure other than the rain, but I would highly recommend going to the Patreon, checking it out. I believe it's only £1. There's 40,000 people that pay for this Patreon, so it is pretty accurate. But yeah, it is only £1, guys. Go and check it out. and then have fun on Assetto. Again, if you need any help installing any of these mods, I'm happy to help out in any way. Drop down in the comments below if you think I should make an install video, which I don't think it's really necessary, but I thought I'd show you guys 5 mods to make your car game thing look realistic. So thanks for watching, guys. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more videos. Got plenty more videos coming, not just on Assetto Corsa, but in the entire gaming industry, hopefully. I don't know what I'm doing right now, but we'll figure it out. Thanks for watching. Peace out.